In terms of specific power performance, this engine ranks first in the current pickup truck market, reaching a maximum power output of 140 kilowatts, a maximum torque output of 420 Nm and an engine power per liter of 70 kilowatts per liter. Additionally, the engine installed in the Sinotruk pickup truck is a single-turbo version. In the future, the engine will also be equipped with twin turbochargers. In addition to the above, this motor also has the ability to start at ultra-low temperature and quickly. When the temperature approaches -40 degrees Celsius, the engine can start the vehicle in one go. At the same time, the engine has an ultra-long maintenance interval that can reach 20,000 kilometers per year, making it the leader in terms of technical strength in the current pickup truck market. In terms of transmission system, this engine is equipped with an 8-at transmission. Unlike other pickup trucks, the manual mode of the transmission can be controlled via paddles behind the steering wheel and can also be adjusted via the transmission gear lever. It has a high-strength hardcore casing suitable for use in harsh environments. Excellent chassis tuning and strength are common features of domestic commercial vehicle companies. The chassis of the vehicle is made of high-strength steel. The overall structure is designed with 2 vertical and 7 horizontal beams. The thickness of the section of the longitudinal beam ensures the overall high strength of the chassis. It gives the vehicle the ability to travel on bad roads and carry heavy loads. Regarding the suspension system of this pickup truck, the front suspension of the entire vehicle adopts double wishbone independent suspension, and the commercial version also uses 5-piece leaf spring suspension to meet the needs of users. China National Heavy Vehicle Company, Limited for heavy vehicles. Chi also provides optional reinforced leaf springs to increase the load-carrying capacity of commercial pickup trucks. In passenger and off-road pickup trucks, the vehicle is equipped with a multi-link suspension that focuses on improving the vehicle's handling capabilities and ride comfort. Sinotruck pickup truck also offers long axle and standard axle versions for commercial pickup trucks to meet the needs of commercial vehicles in various scenarios. Among them, the cargo box length of the long axle model reaches 1,800 by 1,520 by 530 mm, while the cargo box size of the standard axle model is 1,520 by 1,520 by 530 mm. The internal volumes corresponding to the 2 cargo box sizes are 1450L and 1220L respectively. Extensive terrain configurations and extremely fun features. The off-road version of the Sinotruck pickup truck features front and rear axle differential locks, 7 off-road driving modes, shallow hoses, winches, large tires, comprehensive chassis protection, etc. It has extensive terrain configurations including: the big truck has very high gaming characteristics. Due to the configuration of the wading hose, the wading depth of the vehicle is 700 mm. While playing with the vehicle, there is no pressure when crossing the river and it can be completed easily. GT's large size tire equipment can provide better grip when driving on unpaved roads and more easily cope with difficult road conditions such as gravel roads, further enhancing the vehicle's ability to cope with multiple road conditions in all scenarios. The off-road pickup truck is equipped with 8-stage adjustable Coleman nitrogen shock absorbers, which can adjust the softness and stiffness of the shock absorbers, taking into account both ride comfort and vehicle control experience. At the same time, the suspension action of this pickup truck also has good performance. When passing through road conditions with constant cross-axle, the suspension system can always provide sufficient support. In terms of the vehicle's playability, when climbing the large bump section, the off-road pickup truck relies on the constantly strong power output of the 2.0T diesel engine, and its overall performance is quite calm during the climb. At the same time, the vehicle, which has a front approach angle of 32 degrees and a rear departure angle of 26 degrees, exhibits a good passing performance by passing quickly over continuous bumps.